Hello and welcome back to 3-Day Weekend. I'm out here with Bounder, the RV. We're going to change the spark plugs on this Onan Marquis Gold 5500, which I hear could be a pain in the neck. Let's do it. Let's kick things off by pulling the cover off. Just doing that. Easy enough. Then I'm going to show you what it's been doing. First I'm going to shut off the breakers, 2 of those. Then we're going to fire it up and I'll show you what it's doing. It runs pretty rough at first. And then eventually it'll smooth out, but I'm only going to let it run for a minute. So I'm hoping we're just gonna find a spark plug is, well, probably really old and messed up. With the lighting and how tight it is, it's gonna be an absolute nightmare to show. I'm tucked in the back of the barn and it's raining outside, so I figure it's a good rainy day project. You can see the boot right there for one of the spark plugs, and the other is gonna be over here. I can see it. Oh, right behind where it says Onan, that is the boot to the second one. So we're gonna try to get those out of there. I always like to start off with the one I think is gonna be the hardest one, which is gonna be this guy. Oh, I just pull the boot off of it. Oh, I can feel the end of the spark plug. All right, let's get a socket on there. Took me a minute to find the size. It's bigger than I expected, 13/16. So I got it on a swivel. Oh, don't start. Jeez, scared myself. Got it. Ooh, that sucker is dark. Whew. And I would say original. It's been in there for a long time. Oh my. All right, let's get the other one out of there. Ah, got it. Oh yeah, that one's pretty dark too. Yeah. Yeah, those suckers are original. In the end, had to grab my 13/16 swivel, which says Duralast on it, so I must have picked it up at, what is that, AutoZone? AutoZone. For some other project. But I had it on the shelf this time around, so that worked out well. I don't know as if you can get it with a straight one. It's pretty tight up against that wall in there, so I'm gonna run down to Napa, get some new spark plugs. Hopefully they have them sitting in stock. We're back. Napa didn't have them in an NGK. NGK? Is that what they were? Yeah. They didn't have them in NGK, but they had a Champion. That one. Did it focus? Will it focus? There she goes. So I got that. Versus what it was. An NGK BPR4EY. But those should be fine. Gap is 0.025 inches for the Onan series. I've already gapped them. checked them. We're good to go. Time to put them in. And the boot's back on. That one is done. Jay, stop it. It's the third time I've done that. Fourth time I've done it. Fifth time I've done it. Well, we did it. Wasn't too bad of a job. I thought it was going to be a little bit worse. We'll let that generator run for a while. I'm going to turn on the AC units, get a good load on there. It's been sitting for longer than it should have sat. You're supposed to start them up once a month, put a good load on them. They like to be run. Maybe while I'm in here, I'll start up that one too. Just run them both. But we did it. It wasn't too terrible. So we'll see you on the next one. Well, that's going to do it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every viewer and every subscriber, especially you members. You guys are amazing, and we really appreciate the support. As long as you're here, leave us a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything, but really helps us out a lot. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I reply to every comment I get. But in the meantime, thanks again for watching, and I hope I'll see you here for another video on 3-Day Weekend.